At Big Rig Chrome Shop, we obviously love modified rigs. We know that there are a lot of things you can do to your truck to make it stand out from the rest. That's why we're here. We've put together a list of truck modifications that will make the biggest difference in the performance or the appearance of your rig, so you don't have to spend hours browsing around on our website trying to figure out where you should go first. What's up, guys? I'm Sterling from Big Rig Chrome Shop, and I'm here to tell you about the best modifications for your rig. If you're looking for one of the best and most cost-effective ways to start turning heads in your rig, then you're going to want to start by adding some lighting upgrades. We definitely recommend grabbing a new set of headlights. Since they're not super expensive, they're relatively easy to install, and they're going to make a massive difference in both the look and the comfort of your truck. Why? Well, a lot of the new headlights now use LEDs rather than old halogen bulbs. This provides a much more modern look, but it also allows you to see a far greater distance, improving your safety while you're driving out on the road at night. A lot of these will come also with LED turn signals, sequential turn signals, halo lights, all kinds of different accessories built within them that will make a huge difference in the look of your truck overall. If you like your current headlight setup, or maybe you just can't find a set that will actually fit your truck like factory, we have a recommendation for you as well. You could install additional accessory cab lights to your truck. This will make a massive difference, both to other truck drivers, but also just the normal average Joe driving down the road. Who doesn't love staring at a rig that's glowing at night, that has accessory lights all over the place? We have a huge selection of cab lights ranging from amber LED and red LED to the popular Trucks Dual Revolution LED cab lights that switch from both amber to colors like blue, green, purple, red, whatever you can imagine. The next modification we would recommend is a new exhaust setup. Most factory truck exhausts come with a lot of restriction from the factory. They're ugly, they tend to corrode over time, and since you're putting millions of miles on your truck, it is kind of inevitable that that's gonna happen. Luckily, we carry brands like Pipes and Lincoln Chrome that make both chrome and stainless steel options that will not only reduce the restriction, giving your truck more power, but will also provide a beautiful, more aggressive sound and a way more aggressive exterior look than the factory pipes. Storage is an important part to any rig that's going on a long haul. Adding a cab rack to the back of your cab can not only give you more protection, but also offer some additional storage options. Some of our base cab racks come with chain holders to start, but some of our larger ones come with full-on cabinets and even rear lighting accessories that can be added as well. These cab racks are incredibly strong and designed to protect all kinds of different equipment that you don't want to store on the inside of your cab. Additionally, there are high weight limits to these, so laying things on there like chains and other safety equipment inside is not going to be an issue. Plus, these add a very aggressive look to your truck. That's why so many truckers tend to run a cab rack on the back. Now that we've covered the basics for the exterior of your rig, let's talk about the most important part to any truck, the driver's seat. Let's start with steering wheels. After millions and millions of miles being put onto trucks all the time, chances are the steering wheel in yours has seen some better days. Why not upgrade it with one that uses higher quality materials and that just looks a little bit better? Typically, factory steering wheels are a little bit ugly and not super comfortable to hold. Luckily, there are quite a few aftermarket companies that will make a new stylish version of a factory steering wheel or a whole custom designed one right out of the box. You can get it color matched to the exterior of your truck, wrapped in leather, have 4 spokes, 5 spokes, whatever you want, whatever you need to fit the style of your truck. And last but certainly not least, we have one of the most popular, the most requested, and sometimes the hardest to get parts to any rig build: seats. Upgrading your seat will probably make the biggest difference out of any modification you'll ever install on your truck. Think about it. This is where you're going to be spending almost all of your time when you're out on the road, so you need it to be comfortable. There are a ton of different seat styles and options that are designed to be more comfortable and last a lot longer than the factory seat that you're replacing. Now, sometimes These can get a little bit hard to get your hands on, but when you do, they are 100% worth it. These are by far some of our most popular products that we sell, which is why they're in such high demand, and manufacturers can tend to have a hard time keeping up with them. So there you have it. These are the modifications we'd recommend you put on your rig to notice the largest differences in both looks and performance. The best part is, you can get almost all of these parts right now over at BigRigChromeShop.com. Either head over there and pick out the parts you need, or talk to a sales rep. They'll help you through any build process. Are you ready to take your truck to the next level? Head over to the site and let's get building. As always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.